Hi, today I have a smoothie recipe for us. It is a little different. It's not a typical smoothie. This is a go-to of ours. It is 0 points for Weight Watchers Blue, at least. So I thought I would take you along and show you how I make this. We've got it down to a science where we can easily make this very quickly. So stay tuned and I'm going to show you how to prep ahead of time so you can pump these out really fast if you want to make like 3 a day. So let's get started. So I make these quite often. So what we need is ice. I have a blender. I have a Ninja. I have already saved up some cold coffee. I just make extra coffee in the summertime. It's in a mason jar. So that is ready to go. It's already cold. I use the almond milk. It's the original flavor. And we pre-prep our bananas so that we put them in a bag and they're already frozen. Some are already cut in half and some are whole, but we go through a lot of bananas. Sorry, there's lots of interruptions around here. Okay, so what I will do with my cup of ice, I will immediately put in the banana. So I will break this in half, put it in the cup. I'll show you just a second. This is kind of like a no-brainer, but anyways, here's what it looks like. Put in the coffee first, because I want to make sure. Yeah, I just spilled a lot of that. This is a professional cooking show here. Vanilla, just a little bit, maybe a teaspoon of vanilla for that extra flavor. And then the almond milk. And I want to make sure that if you know, you know. I probably put in a 1/4 cup, but you want to make sure that it blends really nicely so you don't have to worry about anything. But anyways, I'm going to blend this up and then we'll see what it looks like. All right, so I just finished blending and this is what it looks like, but more importantly, the consistency. Hold on, I'll get a spoon. The consistency will depend on what you're looking for, of course, but I like it pretty thick, like smoothie-like, so the consistency here is like a smoothie. Okay. But anyways, so I will put the ingredients down below in the description for you, but this is really easy to make. As long as you prep ahead of time, it will not take long at all. And we go through this quite a bit. It's so good. I think the banana and the almond milk with the vanilla really makes a big difference. So sometimes we go through about 5 a day. I'll have 2 of these and my husband will have about 3. So it's a nice treat for summertime. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for giving it a thumbs up and